silly. They really I'd be better. Yay! It's a camera.
Santa and Tigger!
They go well together.
I'm confused. There's so many Santa Clauses. Which one's the real one?
Christmas trees. However you... Going the other way down Douglas.
Oh no! What they got over here? Well, you do get here a lot. I'm videotaping.
Hey, I have your hat, aggressive transportation. You should do this to your car. Lordco! We get all our parts from Lordco.
Penguin meat supply. Where you get your penguin.
That's a good one. Look at this one.
Yeah! Bling blong.
Postal service. You got it going down.
They didn't skim. Oh, look. Oh! Oh! That. Meat. The meat boat.
That looks good too. Look at that one.
Covered in lights. Lit up with the bling blong. And a dove.
Taste.
Like a John Woo film with that dove. Understated. Classy. Bling blong.
Well, this book is out there in Carl.
Holy gosh.
It doesn't stop.
Endless. Oh. Crap. Yeah, hospital. Go on, search and rescue. This would be the worst place for somebody with epilepsy right now. Yeah. Cane-mobile.
Candy cane.
Star. Oh.
There's a deer on the head of it.
Jingle bells, jingle bells. Good point. Really time's over.
Lowest prices.
Guaranteed. Aaron's.
Look at this. Dog on the back of the dog.
Random dog. Oh, look, the firefighters, they lit up. Oh, the bus. The snort. 1966.
Yeah. I'll show my boots.
So you won't on this temperature. It's frozen. My hands all freezing from holding this camera up.
Well, you can finish it. That's a good enough video.
Really get a really good perspective shot on that. Oh, a million more. Jesus is the reason for the season. Oh. Santa house. Look at that. Living large.
Yeah, wall panels.
Wall panels. Wall Santa. There's a reason for the season.
Wall panels.